¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button, and thank you again for liking the video. Now, I did something really dumb. I accidentally somehow deleted 2 terabytes worth of footage.
This is a bummer, man. That's a bummer.
Of my workstation, my PC tower. Now, that's one of my other hobbies, kind of building PCs. But for some reason, you know, I was running short on hard drive, on storage. So I went ahead and I decided to go ahead and add some extra hard drives. And I don't know what happened. I just moved the SATA cables. I moved those around because I had my hard drive, and then I also had SSD. And so I added the extra hard drive. I go to turn on the computer, and then that's when I realized, I'm like, wait a minute, I'm missing my hard drives. So I spent the whole weekend trying to figure this out, trying to, you know, move cables around, I mean, this stuff is just bizarre. I mean, this stuff's supposed to be a quick and easy fix, a quick and easy install, but it's just turned out to be a nightmare. I don't know if one of the hard drives that I purchased was compromised. I don't know if it was, I just don't know what it is.
You're a worthless piece of shit!
After about 5-6 hours, because I have other computers, and I was just trying them out on my other workstations, on my other PCs, and nothing was taking. So after all day, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and just start from scratch, because fortunately for me, I actually already uploaded those videos. I only lost about 2 videos, and honestly, I hadn't even started editing. I mean, one of them I already started editing, but you know what? Good thing is I actually already had those uploaded to YouTube, so it's not a big bummer. It just sucks that I lost a lot of the footage that I was going to use for another video, but I'm just going to have to, you know, record it again. I mean, it's not a complete loss. I'm always on the bike anyways. Yeah, I just got off work, so I'm gonna be on my motorcycle, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys anyway, so it's all good. We're okay. Just gotta reshoot those videos, and I'm just gonna have to probably get some more footage. But everything else, you know what? It's all right. I'm gonna be delayed by a couple of days. Not a biggie. But now I learned my lesson. If you're gonna add memory onto your workstation, then I would recommend backing up all your footage just in case for something like this. I should have taken some precautions, and now I'm paying for it. But if you're out there and you're adding hard drives to your workstation or to your PC, just, you know, back up important files. And honestly, this happened around the same time with my phone. I also ended up factory resetting my phone, and that was one of the videos. And it turns out, I'll just give you guys a little bit of what's going on with the phone. Turns out that the phones mounted on your handlebars, if you have an iPhone 11, I believe the Pro or one of those, the stability on the cameras, they go bad. So just a heads up. And on the Facebook group, you guys could go on the Facebook group. They've tried out the stabilizing mounts, the anti-vibration mount, and these cameras are still getting destroyed by these bikes, by the vibration of the handlebars. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And this is sort of motovlog related, because it's my motovlogs that got erased, destroyed. So yeah, just take your precautions out there, you know. Stay out there, stay vigilant, stay safe, ride safe. Watch out for these these stupid drivers, and later.